Hey guys, Ryan with Thanks.io. Just an example postcard being sent by the Carpet Cleaning Bros. This is a great example of a referral ask. So the whole campaign here, the idea of it is to kind of get more referrals from existing customers. And this is one of the big categories of types of cards that we recommend is your customer follow-up asking for reviews and referrals. So this card, the design is pretty simple. It's got some interesting elements to it. The arrow pointing to the owner is pretty cool. The technique where the owner is staring at the message, that's kind of an old kind of landing page copywriting trick being used on a postcard here. It simply says referrals are the lifeblood of our small business. If you know anyone that could use their carpets cleaned, we will give you both $20 off your next cleaning right here. So our team actually designed this. We do offer concierge services for our business plan subscribers. So if you don't have to worry about having somebody build this, you can build it yourself via our Canva integration or upload your own designs, or just have our team do something like this for you. And then the message is in one of our handwritten fonts here. Hi Denise, thank you so much. I like the personalization of the for trusting us with your carpets. I hope they turned out exactly how you wanted them. Our business relies on referrals from people like yourself. If you have 30 seconds, could you scan the QR below and leave me a name, number of someone you think may need their carpets cleaned? I'll give you both $25 off their next cleaning for helping me out. You know what? Anyway, you can see down at the bottom here, we've got the business owner's branding. This was built using our branding tool that's built into Thanks.io. So you just kind of plug your logo, picture in, and it'll put all your contact info in there on the bottom of, or top of all our postcards, letters, note cards. And then you can see the QR code is showing up right there. Now, what's really cool about this is on the QR scan, you are notified, of course, that that person scans. So you can do some follow-up, right? Whether they complete the process or not, you can just kind of reach out and thank them for starting to leave a review. And then we're actually taking them to this page right here. I like the image here that our team chose. It's just a carpet, right? A carpet getting cleaned. And this is one of our built-in landing pages. It says, do you know somebody who would appreciate a freshly groomed floor? Thank you so much for taking a moment to refer a contact to us. And then they can just plug their address in here. So you're going to plug in your friend's address. Add the address. I'm going to plug my name in here, phone number, right? So this is how we're using our form here that's built in to generate the referral ask, and then that is going to notify the business owner, and then that person is going to get the $20 or $25 off their next cleaning, right? So on the business owner side, I don't know what kind of automation Tom at Carpet Cleaning Bros has built, but maybe his CRM will then send a thank you out, right? Because you can connect Thanks.io to your CRM. Say, hey, thanks for doing that. And it might email both people, the refer and the referee. Lots of possibilities here. So anyway, just an example of a review ask using our note cards right here at Thanks.io. If you want help setting up a campaign like this, go to Thanks.io. Make sure you have your free account. Upgrade to our business plan so you can take full advantage of our concierge services. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this quick review of an example Thanks.io campaign.